And she takes another step. Slowly she opens the door. Check that he is sleeping, pick up all the broken glass and furniture on the floor. Being up half a night is screaming, now it's time to get away. Pack up the kids and the car. Another bruise to try and hide, another alibi to ride. Another ditch in the road, you keep moving. Another stop sign, you keep moving on. And the years go by so fast. Wonder how I ever made it through. And their children to think of, babies asleep in the backseat. Wonder how they never made it through this living nightmare. And the nighting is an amazing thing, full of candy dreams and new toys and another cute hotel. 2 beds and a coffee machine. But there are groceries to buy, and then I know she'll have to go home. Another ditch in the road, you keep moving. Another stop sign, you keep moving on. And the years go by so fast. Wonder how I ever made it through. Another bruise to try and hide, another alibi to ride, another lonely hideaway and a backup night that's open to dark, says I know you're gonna make it. Another ditch in the road, you keep moving. Another stop sign, you keep moving on. And the years go by so fast. Silent fortress built to last. Wonder how I ever made it.